what's up guys? Jose here, gforcemarketinggroup.com, and today's video I'm going to show you how to get a free trial for ConvertKit. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to click the link right below this video, because that link is going to give you access to that free trial, plus you're going to be able to get 100 free subscribers. Now Angel Marie from ConvertKit will take it away from here, and she's going to give you a tour of the back end and how you can acquire more subscribers.
In a free plan, you are able to create landing pages, use multiple different templates, create a thank you page. You can join our ConvertKit community, and you have the opportunity to unlock other features inside of ConvertKit just by referring your friends. Let's get started. Now this is my ConvertKit free plan demo account, just so that I can easily show you how everything works within the free plan. You have the ability to create as many landing pages and forms as you like. The rest of these features up in the navigational bar are going to be blocked off because they are only available in ConvertKit's paid plan. However, as I said earlier, you do have the opportunity to unlock the subscriber feature and the broadcast feature by referring your friends. And I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a second. Now, when you go to the bottom, these are going to be all of the landing pages that you have previously created. You can see their stats from how many people visited to how many people actually subscribed, and then their conversion rates. In order to create a new landing page, just head over here to Create New, and you will be redirected to how you want to gather subscribers. You can gather them by designing a form, or you can gather them by designing a landing page. I'm gonna go ahead and click landing page just so that you can see all of the templates that we have to offer you. Once you click on one of the ones that you are wanting, this is where all of your beautiful customization comes into play. Once you're done customizing that, you can easily head over to this plus button to add a thank you page. This allows you to move subscribers on this landing page further down a funnel where you can add even more things, such as a blog post link, such as another incentive, a lot of great things for you to do right in here. Whenever you're ready and finished with both the landing page and your thank you page, you'll just head over here to save, and then you're gonna go to share, click to copy, paste that in a separate tab, and you are good to go. It is live and it is ready just for you. Now, in order to unlock other features, such as the subscriber feature and the broadcast feature, you have to refer your friends. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. You'll just head over here to this drop-down menu on your ConvertKit Gravatar and head to Referrals. It then will redirect you to where you will be able to refer as many friends as you'd like. This allows you to send an email to them asking them to create a ConvertKit free account. Once they do, just like how you can see this demo email that I set up had accepted this invite, once they accept it and they create their own ConvertKit account, you then will be able to unlock the subscriber feature and, of course, the broadcast feature. From there, you can also have access to our ConvertKit community, which is right inside of your ConvertKit account. You'll just head over here to this question mark, click on Join the Community, and you will then be redirected to where our community base is. You can see a timeline full of other creators just like you. You can ask a question in here. You can answer a question that you might see. You can collaborate with other creators. And then, of course, you can join groups, which is awesome. You can become a member of all of these different groups that we have available for you. And then you can also follow specific topics that you're interested in and get all the resources that you are needing in order to help you out. This is just a great environment for you to interact with other creators like you, and of course to have access to different resources so that we can help you out as much as possible. And that is everything that you can do in a ConvertKit free plan in your account so that you can start creating those landing pages and set yourself and your business up for success.
There you have it, guys. Now you know what you're getting with your free trial. Just make sure you click the link below this video. That'll give you access to those first free 100 subscribers, and you're going to be able to use the landing pages and the forms as well. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And for more information on starting an online business, make sure you click the links right below this video, where I have more resources for you on how to start for free or very cheap. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.